Today, sir, so akong sample problem, so about differential equations. So integration niya. So ang sample problem, solve the differential equation dy over dx is equals to 3y given that y, so y of 0 is equals to 2. So ang solution, ang first step, yung i-separate the variables of the first order na differential equation. Ano siya? Ano 1 over y dy is equals to 3 dx. Integrate the both sides. So, mag-integration na din sa kaning mga variables. So, the integral of 1 over y dy is equals to the integral of 3 dx. So, ln absolute value of y is equals to 3x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So, solve for x. So, solve for y is equals to p raised to the power of 3x plus c. So,